The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence.
Swami Vivekananda was born in Kolkata, India, on the 12th of January 1863. He was a Hindu monk and a spiritual leader who bridged Eastern and Western cultures through his interpretation of Hinduism. Here are some of Swami Vivekananda's quotes.
The biggest Guru mantra is never give up. Arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is reached. The less sexual thought, the greater the power for work, for concentration, for spiritual elevation. Celibacy is the most powerful force in man. It gives tremendous energy. All differences in this world are of degree and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. All the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. Be proud of who you are. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. The greatest sin is to consider yourself a weak soul. The greatest punishment is to be unlike ourselves. The greatest gift is a portion of thyself. The greatest help to spiritual life is loneliness. The greatest religion is to be kind. The greatest power is the power of pure love and devotion. The greatest joy is to conquer one's own inner nature. The greatest good is the conquest of oneself.